and welcome back to techystack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Yes, today I got one comment from Tarak 4586, and he mentioned that good example. What if we have multiple PDFs and how we can extract the PDF if you have different formats? So today we'll discuss about that. First, we'll see the different invoices. So I got two different invoices with having the different format, and this is the one format, and more these my invoices having the another format. So now we'll try to extract the item description from these two PDF files. Let me go back to uipath Studio, and this is the code which we developed in the last video. First of all, taking the for each activity because I have two different files, and here I want to pass the file. I need to give the file path names. For that, I'm taking directory dot get files of, and I need to pass the path for files path. So I'm just copying and pasting here. Let me check whether I'm getting the file names or not. Here I will make it as current item. Just running the bot to check I'm getting the exact file names or not. Okay, this is the one file. Yeah, both files are getting. Now the code I will push into the for loop. Let me remove this. Moving to the here. And here message box is there. Instead of message box, I will take write line. In this write line, I will make it final value as final one and remove this. Now let me run this bot. We'll see how it will works. I'm running the bot. So as it is, as steps is okay. So the problem is I need to pass a current item dot to string here. Removing current item dot to string. So just I pass current item dot to string and saving everything and again running the bot. And let me go to the output here. And we can see the IT support it came, but another one is not came. We'll go debug mode and we'll understand what is missing here. Let me put debug point here. Okay, let me check this check value. It's one. And let me check the final value as well. So here final value is null. Okay, we'll try to understand what happening here. Current item it's one. Okay, I think we did something. Here one is getting after IT support and here one is getting before. So that's why it's moving. So now we need to modify the logic little bit. So for example, when you see these invoices, but the first count we don't want because in one, let me open both. Okay. So in one in PDF invoices, that quantity will come on the left right side. I mean after item description. In another invoices, we are getting the item description after this item. So now we need to change the logic little bit. So we'll do that. Let me close this again. But that what I will do now. I will add one more counter here. I mean take the assign value. I will put this assign value on the top and make it variable as temp counter. Let me change the variable type to, I mean scope also changing, and the type variable type also I changed to integer because I need to increment the counter. So error gone. Just copying this and going to the if condition. I will put if condition here. Again, one I need to take one more if. In this if, I will break the loop. So now, sorry. So here I want to increase the increment. What I will do now, I will make it as plus temp counter. So first time I don't want to exit the loop. Second time, if I get the number 1029, then I want to exit the loop. Taking this break activity and putting inside. And here we need to give the condition correct. So here what I will do now, temp counter greater than 2. So if it is having greater than 2, then it will exit from this loop. Else it will inside the loop itself only. Now let me run this mod. Let me run it. Let me remove the debug point here. And bot has been run successfully. And we can see the output as professional services and professional IT taxes. In this both invoices, we have the same data only. When you see this IT support, another one is professional services. The same output we got here. So one is okay. Why it came now? So we are appending that data. So that's why it came. No worries. Output is correct only. Let me modify that as well. After entered this loop, I will take one more assign value. In this assign value, I will take final value as blank. You can take top of the code is fine or below of the code, anywhere is the fine. Now I'm running this bot. So what it will do now, once it is run, after that it's just removing the data, whatever the available in the final value. Now we'll see the output. So we can see this professional services and another one is the IT supports. So I hope you understand this concept. So let me know if you have any doubts on the comment section. We'll try to help you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.